Hello, Mr. Supratman here, and a very warm welcome to everyone watching this video. The following short video presentations offer a panoramic view of world history. Each video will consist of the big picture, big ideas, and big questions. This video is entitled Early Societies in South and East Asia. What is the big picture? Indus Valley Civilization is the largest of the four ancient river valley civilizations, stretching from modern-day Afghanistan, India, and Pakistan. Agricultural Neolithic communities emerged in South Asia in India and in East Asia in China. Gradually, some of these communities evolved into urban societies. In the Indus River Valley, the Dravidian people of India settled and developed what we call the Harappan society. Shortly after, the Xia dynasty began to emerge in the Yellow River Valley in China. Both of these cultures had complex religious traditions, central government, and featured some large and wealthy urban centers. The arrival of the Indo-Europeans, roughly around 1500 BCE in India, brought about profound political, religious, and cultural changes. Hinduism, the dominant religion in India, is the best example of this evolving process. What are the big ideas? Big idea number one, South Asia, early societies. South Asia went through several waves of migration, helping to create this unique form of culture and social development. Regional kingdoms were ruled by kingships, rajas. The caste system in India served as a glue and created this sense of communal identity as a foundation for the religious belief system. Big idea number two, East Asia early societies. The Emperor of China was viewed highly and was granted the power to rule via the mandate of heaven. He was also known as the Son of Heaven, with a distinctive role as a link between heaven and earth. The primary institution of society was extended family. Each family member is to fulfill his or her role to ensure the success of the society. In addition, each citizen is to cultivate virtues and to act properly with each other according to their individual roles in the society. The head, the patriarch, the head of the family, was responsible to make sure that appropriate religious rituals were observed in the ancestral worship. Those ancestors were responsible for the well-being of the living. Big idea number three, the Harappan society. Both cities like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, located in what is now India, Pakistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh, were incredibly advanced for the ancient time, even by today's standard. They had perhaps the world's first planned cities with downtowns and residential areas. They had cities ordered into grids rather. They had urban sanitation system, and every house had an individual well, a separate drain connecting to the drains in the alleyways which connected to the main street drains. By the way, all of which were covered. Perhaps the ancient climate change, i.e. ecological degradation, was held responsible for the collapse of this ancient civilization. Big idea number four, ancient Chinese religion. One of the oldest culture in the world. China began to develop in the Yellow River, and many of those practices are still observed today. Their society was based on respect for the spirit of one's ancestors, of the earth, of the gods, and other people. The notion was that this world was governed by spirits and heavenly beings. Therefore, people should act accordingly as though they were in the presence of these spirits at all times. What are the big questions? Number one, what were the advantages and disadvantages of the caste system? How did the caste system reflect Indian society? Number two, discuss the nature of Harappan society. What makes this society so unique? And compare it to other contemporary ancient societies. Question number three, describe the importance of the family in ancient China. Was there a connection between the structure of the family and the structure of the state? Number four, compare and contrast the political, religious, and social characteristics of Harappan society to those of Mesopotamia and Egypt. This concludes our short video, and I'm looking forward to have further discussion in class as we explore early societies in South and East Asia. Bye for now.